Your HVAC system depends on secure, clean electrical connections to power every component. When connections loosen, corrode, or overheat, small issues can quickly become big repairs. Problems caused by weak electrical connections include system won't start, burn marks, and tripped breakers. Keeping your system's wiring in top shape ensures reliable power, safe operation, and peace of mind. At Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning, our technicians check every wire during every tune-up. Schedule your maintenance today and stay powered up for comfort all year long.